vlog world, so guess where we at? We at the Sugar Plums factory. The chocolate factory. We at the Sugar Plums factory. The chocolate factory. And we're gonna pick up one monkey dog. We're gonna pick up one monkey. Gorilla. One gorilla.
Release the dopamine.
Alright guys, so kind of dark, so this is sunny. I got the one shoot it on gorilla. So, as soon as I can meet everybody, guys, soon as I can meet everybody. So now that we're in the light, we can let them see. This is Sunny. And introduce yourself.
I'm Gabby.
Yeah. Gabby rolling with us today. We're gonna do this. Right, Sunny? Sunny, where we go? Cool. Alright, so vlog over there. Just did a quick little shooting halfway through in the middle of the road. That was crazy. Wish you guys could have get the opportunity to see when I'm shooting in the middle of the road, but hey, it was cool. We are heading to Anatomy right now to get the next set. So I end up having to use my phone and take the shot then and thing because yeah, you know. But we're there, I'm gonna get some food because I'm hungry. It's pretty cool. So, yeah man, so we're using the props. His name is Sonny from Sun Lotion. So you guys probably know that, you know? Yeah. And we have a next shoot to come up after this. Me and the Sugar Plums keep them roll out. So big up yourself, Sunbum, big up yourself. Sugar Plums, Marshall, you're large. So, there, vlogger, so just one journey get one. So, we're going vlog. Look who is vlogging? Yes. Oh my god, after she going at the shot a while ago. So, anyway, vlog world, we are in Port Antonio right now. And we're there with Mapari, but we just meet on the road. The artist himself. Introduce yourself, my big brother.
Yeah, man.
What are your name? Because we're going to talk about your sculptures, you know.
I first I come and say this. Well, Roger, my name, you know.
Yeah, man, Roger this man. Very talented, you know. Very, very talented. Look at these guys. Yeah, man, I see it, man. You know what I mean? Very, very talented. You know what I mean? Look there. See these sculptures, guys? Very, very talented. See? Jamaica. Oh my God! Don't look! See that? Yeah man, very, very talented. You see that? That's all of this is made out of wood. Board. Yeah man, so vlog world we're there with a man called Juvenile. So what we there now, big brother?
Right now, I'm original at the food stall.
Yeah man. Right now we're gonna cap some pear and some things from a big brother, you know what I mean? So make sure when you come you ask for it.
Yeah. Straight up.
Yeah man.
Avocado.
Yeah man, Jamaica avocado, also known as pear. See the place, yeah? Yeah man. Yeah. Be my feature. Don't know him come on the YouTube page, everybody see the brother.
So the good Scotch bonnet pepper them, you know?
Definitely. Yeah man. Yeah, man.
So also the noni juice.
Noni. It's good for your body.
Yeah, good for sugar.
One shot one I know about.
Arthritis, diabetes, all of those things is good for.
Yeah man.
You drink it by the wine glass.
Good for you, good for you. You hear that? Vlog world. So yeah, we're on the journey. So you want to shout out nobody, big brother?
Yeah man, bless up to the youth and them pops upstairs.
Yep. Straight. Alright, so go on journey with your boy Vlog World. Whoop! Alright, Vlog World, so walk on. So we're there. We're not at the location yet, but we're still on our way. I don't know if we can hear because of your breeze, but this is part of Port Antonio. The breeze! The beautiful, see? Yes! Live for things like this. I live where you vacate. Oh, la, 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 la. Yeah, so we're there. I'm gonna try to get some shots now. So, yeah, what? Y'all journey with you, boy. It's so beautiful, isn't it, man? Yeah. So, yeah. I'm gonna go and journey with you.
Same building. The Digison store bigger than the police station. Ain't no crime down here. Ain't no crime down here. This is where you want to live, sir. Oh, I need to get gas. I don't like the look of this truck. Are you kidding me too? Are you people ridiculous?
Yes, you're going to be on the vlog.
No, don't do me that.
Pay me. I blackmail you or whitemail you because I'm brown.
Oh, Jesus.
I know, I believe in him. I love him.
No. Can you stop? I'm going to crash the car if y'all don't
Kiki,
stop.
do you love me?
Crash this car if y'all don't stop.
I take bus back. So vlogger, next scene. Oh God, we are the famous place in the place of Cardi B. Go ahead. Oh, she, that's over there, you know what I mean? And she dance and bag of thing, but we are do overshoot. You know what I mean? So we can't really show no what we are doing yet. Alright, so the team there, one part of the team. So anyway, go on journey there, boy. Whoop! They are Boston Jerk. What the big brother say? What would the big brother?
Yeah man, Boston Jerk Center man.
Alright.
Main shop, you know.
Alright, so where your place name?
Gold Teeth Jerk Center man, see them man.
Gold Teeth Jerk Center. So where they are, big brother? Where they? Where they are?
Pork,
Yeah.
chicken, fish,
Yeah.
lobster, everything. Roast breadfruit, sweet potato.
Alright, so
and
it's-
we are the best.
Alright.
We never change it. Original.
Yeah.
And we have
So
a Kong soup as well.
Kong soup,
Mixed
which
with
me I go get right now.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Gold Teeth Jerk Center, Boston. Make sure you come here so and get it. You see it? So go and journey with your boy. Whoop! Hey! So vlog world, we're there. We just done do a little quick shoot at Golden Teeth Jerk Center. So I just want to big up Golden Teeth Jerk Center. Everybody there. Respect you know, big brother. When you can roll out when you're ready and things. So we're going to get some food and we're going to try what the conch and the crayfish and the kong soup mixed together, right? Alright, so we're going to do that right now. Combination, chang bak, where she book up in where she book up in So, journey with the boy. Whoop! Vlog world, so we're there, is it, with my brother. Say, I want a shout out. Where they are in here?
You know, say a bumpy son in no trouble nobody.
Mad. So Bumpy, where you sell right this now? Where you have your so the people then can see?
Man, chicken ready, chicken sausage ready. Big shot.
Alright. Oh, you all have chicken sausage, so?
Yeah,
I
man.
never know.
Great.
Yeah, man. Real hustler. So all the price here now, Bumpy?
You know, say a 7 for 1, 14 for 2. One whole chicken, 2 grand, half.
Yes.
1,000, quarter,
Yeah.
5.
Yeah. So Bumpy, what we can find you now? Right at Boston,
Yeah,
right?
man, right at Boston, man. Just come straight in from the right hand side.
I ask you?
Bumpy son, in no trouble
Alright.
nobody.
Bumpy son, in no trouble nobody. So, yo, big up yourself, Bumpy.
Alright.
Remember when you come, big up yourself, big brother. Alright, so just go on journey with the boy.
Yeah, man.
Bumpy, chicken,
Sausage.
So yeah, man. So go on journey with the boy. Whoop. Alright, vlog world. So after a long day of shoot, yeah, big up the sugar plums. Just done shut up the shoot and thing in Port and Tune, you know. Yeah, I do a shoot with Sunbum, you know, when you know that. And your host, the man himself, Sonny the monkey, you know what I mean? So big up yourself, don't Sonny? Yeah. So, today was a great day. You know what I mean? Tell them Sonny, enjoy. Alright, so what was the best part of it? So you not do it back again, Sonny? Alright, so you hear that. So big up on yourself, vlog world, we're there. It's been a great day. So go and journey with your boy. Whoop! Hey.